Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube. So it's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, what you have to do is you just have to open the youtube.com and then you can open any video you want to save in your playlist. So let's say this is the video. Now, what you have to do is you have to tap on these three dots and you will see these options. Just simply tap on this save option. Now it will show you a new window. You will see these are all my playlist. Now you can save it in any playlist, but if you want to create a new one, just simply tap on this new playlist and now you have to choose the title here. I'm going for PR, and now in the visibility you can select anything. In public you can see anyone can search for and view. Unlisted, anyone with the link can view, and private, only you can view. So I'm going to tap on this private and then you can simply tap on this create. Now your playlist is created. Now where you can find this playlist, just simply go on the home page of YouTube, and here in the left side you can see these options. You can see this one, playlist. You have to tap on it and now it will show you all the playlist you have created. This is the playlist we have just created. Just simply tap on these three dots and you can tap on this edit for more options. And now you can see these options here. And now if you want to change the title, again you can change it. You can add the description, you can change the privacy settings, and you are good to go. So that's how you can create playlist on YouTube. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.